Alright guys, it's day 12 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge, while we are using DCA dollar cost average to buy PHT and other meme coins. So today we're gonna be buying PHT and we are gonna look for another meme coin to buy as well. Alright, so as usual, I'm gonna click on PHT, I'm gonna click on swap, and I'm gonna click on BNB. And don't forget, I told us earlier on that for buying and holding PHT, we are definitely going to be getting Wikicat as a reward, which is certain, which is guaranteed. Okay, so it's not actually daily. You won't be receiving this Wikicat daily. I think it's programmed in such a way that it's based on the uh, PHT volume transaction or whatever. So, but you'll be getting it. That's certain. All right. So let's quickly buy PHT. Then let me show you the wiki card I've gotten so far just by buying and hodling PHT 0.005. So BNB to PHT. All right. So I'm using the 50% of my balance to buy PHT now. I'm gonna click on swap. I understand and confirm. All right, successful. So let's check the wiki card we've received so far. So there's it right here. Okay, so 59,000 wiki card. So as you can see, there's the first one, second, third. Okay, so that's how it will keep coming. All right, so now let's look for the next meme coin to buy. Let's go to their screener. All right, so this is the next meme coin we are buying, and this is the only meme coin with the lowest market cap ever. Since we've been buying meme coins, like this one has the lowest market cap, lowest of all, 3.9k market cap. All right, so currently 0 buyers, 1 sellers. Let's quickly check the chart as usual. So looking at the chart, you can see that this has actually been ranging. All right, so this is the daily time frame, and the price is just hovering around this area. Let's check the monthly time frame. Okay, from monthly we can see that it's bullish. Okay, so from daily we can see that it's retracing. So nevertheless, with this market cap that I'm seeing here, we are buying earlier, we are buying at a very huge super discount. Okay, so the liquidity lock is just 2.7k. So I'm going to copy the contract address, copy. Okay, then let's check. As you can see, peer created 1 year 16 days ago, so it's over a year that this has been created. All right, so let's go to OKX. Now, even if it is $1 that will buy, imagine if this gets to 300,000 market cap. With $1, you'll be able to make insane profit, insane gains. Okay, so you don't need this to get to $3 billion. You don't need to get to $30 million. Like 300k market cap or even $3 million market cap will be massive profits. So as I said, you Don't even need thousands of dollars to buy some of these meme coins. If you buy the right ones at the right time with $1, $2, $5, you make massive gain when it eventually pumps like crazy. So I'm gonna click on BNB, click on swap, and click on USDT, and paste the contract address, and click on the bully. So 50%. I'm gonna click on swap via OKXDX. I understand the risk. Confirm. I'm gonna click on confirm. Done. So that's it for today, guys. All right. So let me know if you have questions or there is a suggestion or observation. Let me know in the comment section below. All right. And also make sure you stay tuned. Watch out for the next video. All right. So we are progressing. All right. Thanks once again. Until next time. Peace out.